Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you, mister?
I'm fine. Thank you for asking me. How are you?
I am fine too.
Okay, and we have something in common that we studied in Yogyakarta. Can you tell me about Yogyakarta? Based on your point of view?
My opinion about Yogyakarta, I think Yogyakarta is the best city for you if you want to stay alone.
Okay, why?
Yeah, because Yogyakarta, I think it's very comfortable city.
For students, yeah.
Yeah, for students.
And how long were you in Yogyakarta?
I have been.
You have been? How long were you in Yogyakarta?
It's around 3 years.
3 years, okay. So, when was the last time you were in Yogyakarta?
The last time I in Yogyakarta, it's 2024.
2024.
Yeah.
Do you miss Yogyakarta?
Of course, I miss Yogyakarta so
Okay.
much.
Why? Why do you miss Yogyakarta so much?
Because in Yogyakarta I have many experience and I meet many people, especially my ex.
Your
my first
So,
my first boyfriend
your
I met
first
in
boyfriend.
Yogyakarta.
Okay, so you are saying to me that you miss your ex?
No.
Oh, you miss the city, not the ex.
Yeah.
All right. What do you used to do? No, what did you used to do when you were in Yogyakarta?
What?
What did you used to do when you were in Yogyakarta? What
Oh.
did you used to do when you were in
Okay.
Yogyakarta?
I used to attend classes from 8 a.m. until afternoon, and then I went to every tourist destination like Malioboro, Prambanan, and then Sambisari temples.
Okay.
Yeah, and then many places. Yeah.
So, did you get to explore Gunung Kidul?
Of course, I went to Gunung Kidul because they have many beach,
Okay.
right? Like what yeah?
What is
So
your
many.
what is your favorite beach in Yogyakarta?
Of course, Parangtritis, the number
Parangtritis.
one, because we can say Paralayang.
Yeah, Paralang is on top of Parangtritis.
Yeah,
Mm-mm.
and then Midodaren, if you know.
Huh, Midodaren.
Gunung in the
Isn't it a song, Midodaren?
no that the name of beach in Gunung Kidul.
Oh, in Gunung Kidul. I haven't been there. Maybe next time when I visit Yogyakarta, I will be there. Yeah.
Yeah, you must try.
Did you get to see sunset from Paralayang
Yeah,
when you were in
once.
Yogyakarta? Once.
Yeah.
And can you tell me the experience?
Yeah, I think that's the Pemandar.
What do you like about watching sunset at Paralayang? What do you like about watching sunset at Paralayang?
What I like. Sorry, Mister, can you repeat again?
Yeah. What do you like? What do you like about Paralayang? What do you like about watching sunset at Paralayang?
What do you like? I like watch sunset at Paralayang because I can see the the sea, and I can see people di bawah, under.
I
Yeah.
mean, like from you can see people from above.
Yeah, from above.
Okay. So, which one would you prefer between Paralayang and Parangtritis?
Which one?
Which one would you prefer?
I think Parangtritis.
Parangtritis. Why would you prefer Parangtritis?
Because I like beach.
You like beach.
Yeah.
Oh, you are not really into a hill.
Hill, yeah, I mean I like too, but I prefer to Parangtritis.
Okay. And do you have a favorite food when you were in Yogyakarta?
Favorite food?
Yeah.
I used to buy nasi kucing.
Okay.
Yeah.
And do you have any specific name of the place to eat sego kucing?
In front of my boarding house.
Okay. And
Yeah.
what did you usually order? What did you used to order along with nasi kucing?
If you know tahu bacem and tempe bacem.
That's one of my favorite when I
Yeah.
was in Yogyakarta because it is cheap until
cheap,
now.
very
Yeah.
cheap.
And
telur puyuh.
okay, okay, it's a normal angkringan thing.
Yeah.
So let me guess. Do you drink T.O. Sorry.
Yeah.
T.O.
Es teh manis.
Yeah. So if you are in Batam, you should know about
Yeah.
T.O. and T.O. Beng.
T.O.
T.O. Beng stands for iced tea, right?
Yeah.
And T.O. stands for hot tea.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which one would you prefer, iced tea or hot tea?
Iced tea.
Iced tea. Why?
It's more fresh.
It's more fresh.
Yeah, especially if the hot weather.
In a hot weather.
Yeah.
Okay. So, do you have a favorite place to have a breakfast when you were in Yogyakarta?
When in Yogyakarta, honestly, I rarely do breakfast because
You rarely do breakfast.
yeah,
Why?
because sometimes my class started at 8
Started at 8.
a.m.
And what time did you used to wake up?
Sometimes at my boarding house, I get late.
Oh,
Yeah.
you woke up late.
Yeah, I wake up late.
Why? Did you sleep late too?
Yeah, sometimes I go with my friends to still around Yogyakarta.
Stroll around Yogyakarta. What is the best part of Yogyakarta? Which part do you think is the best?
The places or
The area.
Oh.
Is it Sleman? Is it the city? Or is it Bantul or Gunung Kidul or
I
whatever?
think city of Yogyakarta.
The city of Yogyakarta.
Especially
Wow.
Malioboro, I think.
Malioboro. So you are a Malioboro fan,
Yeah.
not a Kaliurang fan.
Yeah, I like Kaliurang, but not really.
Not really. But
Because Kaliurang is cold, I think.
Yeah, Kaliurang is cold. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's different from it. It feels like we are in another universe when we
Yeah.
were in Kaliurang.
If you still around till around at night, you can feel cold.
You can feel cold. Yeah, of course. Yeah, that's why I always brought my jacket
Yeah.
whenever I was trying to go to Kaliurang. But the best thing about Kaliurang is that they have the best wedang ronde. Do you know wedang ronde, by the way?
Yeah, I know, but I never try.
Do you like wedang?
No.
No. So what?
I like jahe tea.
Oh.
Teh jahe.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
it's okay. You like ginger?
Yeah.
Ginger. Yeah.
Yeah, ginger.
And okay. Have you tried wedang ronde, by the way?
Not yet.
Not yet. You should try that.
Yeah.
Do you like sweet drinks?
Not really, but
Not really.
I like little bit.
A little bit. So what is your favorite drink, by the way?
In Yogyakarta or
Yeah, in Yogyakarta and now.
now because now I want to deficit my calorie. I
Okay.
drink mineral water, of course.
Mineral water is your favorite
Yeah.
food. But what was your favorite food?
Oh, my favorite food.
Yeah, when you were in Yogyakarta, what was? Drink. What was
Drink.
your favorite drink? What was your favorite drink?
At Yogyakarta,
Iced tea, no?
no. When I have cough, I used to buy the ginger tea, and if the hot weather, I used to buy juice
a juice.
because my boarding house near to the juice place.
Your boarding house was near to the juice place. I heard that fruit juices in Yogyakarta is so cheap.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can get mangoes. I think for around 8,000. No.
Yes, of course.
Right?
Yeah, that's right.
And there are so many food stalls or places to drink juice.
Yeah.
And if you were to have a chance to go back to Yogyakarta and to rewind your memory,
Yes.
what would you do?
If I chance to go
Yeah.
to Yogyakarta.
If you were to have a chance to go to Yogyakarta again and go back to when you were still in university, what would you do?
I think I will visit the place that I never I visited.
You will visit the place that you were never visited before.
Yeah.
Okay, something like? Can you give example?
Something like Hutan Pinus Mangunan.
So you haven't been there to Hutan Pinus Mangunan. It's so popular, you know.
Yeah, but I think in Yogyakarta they have two the similar. One Hutan Pinus Mangunan and the one is
Hutan Pinus. I know. Hutan
Yeah.
Pinus. It's I know.
I ever did go to the one place, but I never
Puncak
go.
Pinus, right? I think.
I forget about it.
Or Pinus Pengger, I think.
Yeah, I think that
Yeah.
that one.
Yeah. So both of them are beautiful and scenery and scenic. I mean, like, but I prefer to go to Mangunan, Puncak. Oh, no, I think it's what is it? I forgot the name. Kebun Buah Mangunan, no?
I think that's Mr. because I forgot.
Yeah, I think it's Kebun Buah Mangunan. Kebun Buah Mangunan is a best place to visit during the sunrise. And if you want to see a sunset, you can go to Puncak Pinus Becici, I think.
Yeah.
So that's my recommendation. Whenever if you want to visit Yogyakarta again, you should see a sunrise at Mangunan, and then you see the sunset at Puncak Becici, and you will have a great day. I promise. I mean, like, if the place is still the same, and
And
So-
also I want to Paralayang again.
you want to go to Paralayang again with your ex.
No. Oh.
Okay, with your new boyfriend.
In
Okay. Boyfriend or okay, I don't know. Never mind. Okay, so if you have a message that you want to say to the camera for people who wants to speak English, you can say that. Who wants to practice English, want to study English, you can say it on the camera.
Okay, to all people that want to practice English, it's okay if you wrong. Never mind.
Yeah.
At knowledgeable ID.
Okay, knowledgeable ID. Yeah.
They can make you can to speak English
Okay. Yeah, can.
like me.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, like, how much improvement have you made during the learning session? I mean, like, not the session, like during the learning journey with Knowledgeable ID. What do you think about your improvement? Do you improve a lot? Have you improved a lot?
Yeah, of course. It almost 3 months, right?
Mm-mm.
Yeah. In here, I learn a lot,
Mm-mm.
and then I think I improve a lot
Mm-mm.
because you help me to push my English.
Mm-mm.
So now, also not perfect,
Mm-mm.
but I can understand
Mm-mm.
people better.
Okay. Well, do you still feel nervous to speak English in
Yeah.
public?
Sometimes I nervous, but I try before speak. I try in my mind. It's okay if I wrong.
Mm-mm. Yeah, of
That's-
course.
That's learning.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
That's learning process. And how do you feel before and after studying with us
Before and after,
in public?
or in public.
In public.
Before I study at here, I very nervous. I mean, I never want to talk with other people, especially bule.
Okay. Okay.
Because at my work, I have one bule.
Okay.
You know,
Mm-mm.
and then I never brave to talk anything.
You
to
never
her.
feel brave.
Yeah,
And then?
yeah, I never feel brave to talk with her.
Mm-mm.
And after I study at here, in here I have a little bit brave, and
Mm-mm.
and now with her I talk anything.
Okay, you can express your feeling.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Very good. Oh, so thank you for choosing us to begin your English journey. I hope you do well in your life, and see you on the next video. Okay.